another one-pan pasta. Flavorful mushrooms, zucchini, a bit of cream, and cheese. Let's cook. So, everything tastes better with garlic. I'm going to use 3 cloves and cut them up from a garlic press. Some oil into the pan and start my one-pan wonder. Add the garlic. I love the taste of thick Portobello mushrooms. 1 mushroom cap is just the right amount for this recipe. Cut that into pieces. And 4 ounces of white mushrooms. That's what I had. Also cut up into pieces. And the mushrooms into the pan. Let them start sweating. Because the pasta will be cooked right in the same pan, let's put 3 cups of chicken broth. Two cups of pasta. I like penne because it holds the sauce nicely. I actually started with 2 cups of broth and added another to cover the pasta. Let the pasta start cooking. The box says 11 minutes, but this took almost 15 because the pasta was not completely submerged the whole time. Cut up a small zucchini. And add the zucchini to the pan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see if the pasta is done. Almost. And a taste test at this time. it needs a bit of salt. Keep in mind that the cheese will add a bit of salt later. The pasta is pretty well done. Add a cup of cream. Cook that for a minute. Not thick enough, so a tablespoon of flour, mixed in well to avoid lumps. A half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Grocery store variety is perfect. Let the cheese melt into the sauce. Serve. Enjoy. That mushroom flavor really came through. Wonderful. Ingredients. 1 Portobello mushroom cap, 4 ounces of white mushrooms, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small zucchini, cooking oil, 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of pasta, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of cream, 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese.